So now we will see how to digitize and also some of the advanced digitizing tools. So first I will add a topo sheet. So first I'll create a polygon shapefile. In order to create a polygon shapefile, go to layer, create layer, new shapefile layer. And you can create shapefile, geometry type. I will give it as polygon. Then I'll change the coordinate system to 43n. Then if you want, you can add the attributes. So I will add area kilometer square. And we have to change the data type to decimal. Then add to fields. Once done, click OK. So you can see your lakes shapefile, polygon shapefile has been created. Now I will go to toggle the editing mode on. And then here you can see add polygon feature. You can zoom to a lake and start digitizing. Once done, right click and then left click. You can add the attribute. It's done. I'll digitize one more lake. So we have digitized 2 polygons. Now make sure that your snapping toolbar is on. If you don't have, right click, make sure this checkbox is on. And you will get a horseshoe magnet kind of icon and make sure that it is enabled. Now I will create a line shapefile. So go to layer, create layer, new shapefile layer, and I'll add roads, geometry type, line string, UTM zone 43. And if you want, you can add length in meters. Click OK. Also make sure that go to project properties. Here you can see the default is meters, length measurement, it is meters, and for area measurement, it is square meters. You can convert it to square meters. So we have roads shapefile now. Now toggle the editing mode on. And here you can see add line feature. And start digitizing. Once done, right click and then left click. Here you can see the roads has been digitized. Save the edits. And then you can also create a point shapefile. Geometry type, I'll take point and let it be WGS 84. So that I can have two columns, X coordinate and Y coordinate, which is latitude, longitude and latitude respectively. So if I want, I can create a field here, or else we can go to the shapefile and go to the field calculator, and there you can add. So I'll do the second way. So now I will say OK. And the editing mode is on, and you can start adding point feature. Once done, save edits. Now, if you go to the attribute table, here you can see there is only one column, and I can add another column either from this one using new field or going to field calculator. So here you have create new field, check that, and you can add the field name. And then go to geometry. Since it's longitude, choose X. Click OK. So here you can see your longitude. Another way is add a new field here, latitude. Click OK. Go to the field calculator. Instead of create a new field, toggle this on, update existing field, and choose latitude. Come to geometry and select $Y. Click OK, and you can see your longitude and latitude. Similarly, when you click on roads, go to the attribute table. Here you can calculate the length. Go to field calculator, update existing field, length. Go to geometry. Here you can see length. Click OK. So 3,710 meter is the road length. Now go to lakes, open attribute table. Here you can compute the area, update existing field, choose area in kilometers square, and then go to geometry, click area. Okay, so 0.05 kilometers square. That's first lake area, this is second lake area. So this is how we can digitize features. Now we will see some of the advanced digitizing tools. So once the toggle editing mode is on, you can see a lot of advanced editing tools are there. So, and when you click on polygons, you will see all of them enabled. When you click on roads, few of them are grayed out. And also when you click huts, most of them are grayed out. So I will create polygon. Here you can see a pink color. That's because the snapping toolbar is on. Click OK. So this is move feature. You can select move feature, click on this, click on a polygon, and you can move it. Another one is copy and move feature. Click on this. So it will be copied. The original will be retained. Now the next one is rotate feature. So if you want, you can rotate your feature. Another one is scale the feature. You can scale your feature, scale up or scale down. Then another tool is add ring. So this is the usage of add ring. If you want to fill this, there are two ways. So one way is fill ring, another way is delete ring. So I'll show you fill ring, zoom into it, and then draw a boundary. It will be filled, but this will be another feature. It's not a part of this polygon. Okay, this is a separate one. Now I'll undo the edits, and then here you can see there is another tool called delete ring. So when I click on that, just click on this hole and it is filled. Okay, so you can see that part is filled. Now you have another feature called split feature. First, select the feature to be split apart. You have split features and split parts. We'll see the difference. Click on this. So here you can see two features are made. From one feature, two features are separated. Okay. I'll go back. Now I will use split parts. So now if you use the identify tool, though a line was there to divide between these two features, they are singleton feature. So that's the difference between split feature and split part. One more thing, I will split this one. Okay, you have to select it. Yes, that is split feature. So two parts are formed. Now select both. Select both of them. And then you can use merge. So here there is merge attributes and also merge selected feature. So I will use merge selected feature. And then I'll select one feature, select take attributes from selected feature, click OK. So those will be merged into one single feature. Now, if you don't want, you can deselect the feature. Here you have another tool called add part. So we'll select the feature. So here you can see that part is added. Now, if you don't want, you can delete it. Just click on that. It will get deleted. Now, save the edits. And let us see if we can do the extend or trim. So first, I will create a line. So first, you have to choose trim or extend feature. Then you have to choose the segment. I'll click on that and then click on this line so that it got extended. Once done, save edits. Again, I'll click on trim or extend feature. I'll select this and select. Now it is trimmed. So these are the advanced editing tools in GIS.